Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. I am home from work today. I have a couple of things that I would like to meal prep to get it out of the way since I am at home. So I'm gonna make some like chicken thighs in the Instant Pot, and I'm gonna make keto chili. So I will show you what I'm thinking I'm gonna put in the Instant Pot. Not really sure, just kind of throw things in there. I don't know, we'll see. Up and stir this, so I just wanted to show you what I did. I put about a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of avocado oil, and 2 tablespoons of Kerrygold butter in the crock pot Instant Pot, and it is on saute. I'm gonna put some of the chicken thighs inside here, let it saute, flip it, saute on the other side, and then I will do the rest of the chicken thighs. I have no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I just have something in my head, and that is what I'm going with. I have a sink full of dishes and some sad kids today, but hey, we're just cooking and trucking away. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using. Just some poultry seasoning, some onion powder, garlic salt, pepper, and sea salt. They are cooking, sauteing, I should say, on the other side, getting nice and delicious, soaking up that butter and that garlic. I have some baby bellas that I'm going to chop up and throw in, some heavy whipping cream. Alright guys, so I have taken out the chicken and I put in about 2 cups of chicken broth and about half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and then I sliced up 2 mini baby bellas, portobello mushrooms, and put them in there. And then I'm going to put the chicken back in, and then I'm going to start the pressure cooking. Alright, so now I have this closed, it is in lock. I have the pressure set to nothing. I'm going to set this to poultry. Oh, I gotta stop it, it's still on saute. Poultry. We're just gonna go, well, can we minimize it? No, we're just gonna leave it at that, and then we're just gonna start. It's gonna start heating up, and then we'll be back when it's done. Alright guys, here it is. So as you can see, it's almost like a I want to say like a chicken and dumplings type thing. Look at how this is thick. I put in some xanthan gum to thicken it up because it was really brothy, and I wanted it to be a little thicker. The meat is just like falling apart. It is so soft. Look at that. This is like, ooh, if you threw in some celery and some carrots, this would be a nice little like veggie chicken soup. Oh, it's fogging up. That looks so stinking good. Season it with some salt and pepper. Put it over some zucchini noodles. Put it over some mashed cauliflower. Oof. Looks great, guys. That's all. Alright guys, I'm making my chili now. So I just threw in some minced garlic and 1 packet of beef chorizo. And I'm getting this cooked down. I'll add in my hamburger meat, cook that up. I'll show you the next steps if you haven't seen this already. This is based off of Keto Ginger's chili recipe. I do omit some things, and I've made it so many times now that I just kind of use whatever I have if I'm missing an ingredient. But I will also still link her down below. You can check her original recipe out. Alright guys, so the meats have been cooked. I added 1 can of the Rotel Fire Roasted diced tomatoes and green chilies. I added 8 ounces of beef bone broth, and then 1 can of tomato paste. Spatulate, spatulate, spatulator, spatulate. I don't know where in this video this is going to fit in, but if you guys know of any other cold brew coffee packs that you can buy to make your own instead of buying those Stoke and already pre-made Starbucks, let me know. This, as far as I am concerned, has 0 carbs, whereas if you get the Starbucks or the Stoke, however you want to call it, I can't remember what it's called. You get Stoka. What is it? The Stoke. It's 2 carbs, you guys. I'm pretty sure this is none. And this is what I usually get. But if you, because this is like $8, 8 something, and it makes 2 pitchers. So if you know of a better kind, cheaper, let me know. Because honestly, the only ones I can ever find cold brew packs are Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks.